For this video, I'm going to look at how to get the equation of the line between 2 points. And if the 2 points are, for example, -1, -2, and 3, 4, and we want to get the implicit equation of the line, that will be in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c need to be integers, whole numbers, not fractions or decimals. So the first starting point is we need the gradient of this line. And remember, the gradient is the increase in the y coordinates minus the increase in the x coordinates. It doesn't matter which point is which, but if I take the y coordinate of the second point minus the y coordinate of the first point over the x coordinate of the second point minus the x coordinate of the first point, I get 6/4, which is the same as 3/2. So the gradient is 3/2. And now, to get the equation of the line, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, we feed in the gradient of 3/2, and y and x are general values, but y1 and x1 are a specific point. They can be -1, -2, or 3, 4. I'll take 3, 4, so y coordinate of 4, x coordinate of 3. We can multiply this out and get y equals mx plus c, but in this case we want to get ax plus by equals c, so we don't want any fractions. So what we do at this stage is we multiply by 2 throughout, and we get 2y minus 8 equals, on this side multiplied by 2, the 3/2 multiplied by 2 gives me 3, and the x minus 3 stays the same. If I multiply that out, I get 3x minus 9. And now moving the x and y's to the same side, I'm going to move them to the right-hand side. So 3x, subtracting 2y from both sides, I get 3x minus 2y. And then on the minus 8 side, if I add 9, I get 1. And adding 9 on the 3x side, it disappears. So I get that line. As a check, I can check that -1, -2 lies on this line by feeding that into the equation. 3 times -1 minus 2 times -2 is in fact 1, because -3 plus 4 is 1. And likewise, 3, 4 should be on the line, because I get 3 times 3 minus 2 times 4 is 9 minus 8, which is again 1. So we can see that it works for that one and it works for that one. Okay, so that is the implicit or standard form equation for the line between 2 points given by coordinates.